Hey everyone, welcome back to another SAT math video. This is a question from the 2024 Practice Bundle 5 Math Module 2, linked in the description below so you can follow along. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? And then they give us a bunch of different tables. They all have the same x's, I think, right? No, they don't actually. They have 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay, so they have basically the three same numbers but in different orders. And then they have the same y values. So that tells me we should probably solve for y and then plug in these three values and see which one of these tables does not match up, right? So just to review, the underlying concept is inequalities, right? Inequalities, right? So that's what we need to remember is the underlying concept is inequalities, and then to solve this problem, we're going to do a kind of like process of elimination, right? Process of elimination. Okay, that is what we're going to use to solve it. So let's begin. To effectively do process of elimination, I'm going to first solve for y, and then once solving for y, we're going to plug in y and then see what our equation evaluates to. Okay, so we're going to do 2x minus y is equal to, or not equal to, it's going to be greater than 883. So then we're going to minus both sides by 2x. Then minus y is greater than 883 minus 2x. We're going to divide the negative 1 out, so this cancels. Once we divide by a negative, the sign actually flips, right? So greater than becomes less than, and then everything on this side flips, so this becomes minus 883 minus 2x is equal to y, right? So y became just positive y, and everything flipped, right? The sign flipped, and all of these the signs of these ones flipped, right? Including 2x, right? So let me just write that nicely down here. Y is less than 2x minus 883. Yeah, that's supposed to be a 3. Okay, so y is less than 2x minus 883. Okay, now we know we can plug in some values, maybe. It doesn't seem like plugging in actually is going to be the fastest way to do this one. Let's see. Well, I mean, if you're fast with it, maybe it will. So let's just try it out. Let's try with 440. So let's just say 440 times 2 minus 883. What is that going to be? Will that be greater than or less than, or actually will it let 0 be less than that? Yeah, that's how we need to read it. So okay, we're trying out in this case 440. Does 440, when x is equal to 440, is y less than 0? Well, let us try it out. So this is going to be 880, right? This whole thing, 440 times 2 is 880 minus 883 is going to be less than 0. And it doesn't seem like that is going to be true because we get 0 is less than negative 3. So A definitely does not work. So we can cancel out A. And any other one that has 440 and 0, right? So we can cancel out A and we can cancel out B. Now they're asking us, does 442 and 0, is that a good pair? We know that it definitely will be a good pair because if you notice, both answers C and D have that. So let's try a different one. Well, actually, I'll take that back. They are different here. So let's try 440 and negative 2. Yeah, I think let's try that might work. So yeah, but negative 2 or negative 4. Well, I guess we'll have to find out. So let's do that again. Plug it in. We're going to plug in this point right here. Minus 2 is less than 440 times 2 minus 883. This becomes minus 2 is less than 880, right? Minus 883. Oh, I think this works. Minus 2 is less than minus 3. Actually, that doesn't work, right? So because minus 2 is actually greater than minus 3, so that does not work, meaning our answer has to be D. So that's it for this video. What did we do? First, we figured out what underlying concept we need to do, right? It was inequalities. And then we checked and saw how we can use process of elimination to figure out the answer here. And then to do that, we solved the equation for y. Remember, when you're dividing by a negative in inequality, you have to flip the inequality, right? That's what we did here. And then after that, we just plugged in two answer choices. We did this one and that one, and then we made it easier on ourselves. We just used the same x value each time to make it a little faster. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you had any questions, if there's anything I can improve. Check out the links in the description. There's Khan Academy and a bunch of other ones that are really good to help you learn and expand your mind. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.